Good morning. Here are the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida update as of March 4th, 2023. On Friday, a brush fire in Collier County destroyed at least 2 homes in Golden Gate Estates on Naples and burned up to 300 acres. People had to be evacuated for some time yesterday, but the evacuation order has since been lifted. The cause of the brush fire has not been determined, but Collier County has issued a burn ban. As of Saturday morning, the brush fire is only 25% contained. A new restaurant has opened where 400 Rabbits used to be at 975 Rabbit Road on Sanibel Island. The new restaurant is called Rosalita's Cantina Tex-Mex. I'm a little confused and disappointed. Rosalita's is technically a chain restaurant that currently has 2 locations open in St. Louis, Missouri, which I personally have never been to. I can safely say I will never visit the Sanibel location either. I have enough great Mexican restaurants near my house to definitely not desire Tex-Mex while I am on Sanibel Island. I personally prefer seafood restaurants while I'm on a beach vacation, but that's just my opinion. The reason I am confused is because Sanibel does have an ordinance preventing formula restaurants from opening on the island. I guess the ordinance is open to interpretation because if this isn't a formula restaurant, then I do not know what is. 400 Rabbits was a Mexican restaurant which was pretty popular, but the owners of the restaurant couldn't afford to stay open due to financial issues that started before Hurricane Ian. They cut ties with the landlords, but still owe them a substantial amount of money. Even though I am not thrilled about a chain Tex-Mex restaurant, I am happy the landlord was able to find a new renter and get business up and running in a short amount of time. So I did a little research, Google it, and I found the Sanibel's ordinance about formula restaurants. Formula restaurant, an eating place that is one of a chain or group of 3 or more establishments in which satisfies at least 2 of the following 3 descriptions. A, it has the same or similar name, trade name, or trademark as others in the chain or group. B, it offers either of the following characteristics in a style which is distinctive to and standardized among the chain or group. 1, exterior design or architecture. 2, uniforms, except that a personal identification or simple logo will not render the clothing a uniform. C, it is a fast food restaurant. So I guess Rosalita's slides under this ordinance since it only satisfies 1 of the 3 descriptions. I really hope this isn't creating a trend because one of the things I really loved about Sanibel was all the unique restaurants. Thanks for listening.